In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reader mode in Google Chrome on desktop. This feature is incredibly handy when you want to focus solely on the content of an article without the distractions of ads, images, or sidebars. Reader mode creates a cleaner, more streamlined reading experience, which is perfect for those times when all you need is the text, pure and simple. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome and navigate to a web page that contains an article you're interested in reading. This could be a news post, a blog entry, or any web page that primarily focuses on text content. Once the page has loaded, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. Here, you'll see the familiar three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on this to open the drop-down menu. This menu provides a variety of options that control different Chrome features, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. With the menu open, look for the option labeled More Tools. Yet before you click, just hover your cursor over More Tools. Doing this will reveal a secondary menu with additional functionalities. This submenu includes several tools, but the one we're interested in today is Reading Mode. Once you've identified Reading Mode in this submenu, click on it. This action will automatically transform the current article into a simplified format. The distractions will fade away, leaving only the text and essential images that are part of the content's core narrative. The Reader Mode feature effectively strips away all the unnecessary elements, providing a cleaner reading layout that can make understanding and focusing on the material much easier. And that's it! You've now successfully enabled Reader Mode on Google Chrome. This tool is perfect for maximizing your reading efficiency and minimizing digital clutter. Once you're done reading, you can simply hit the back button or disable Reader Mode to return to the usual web page layout. It's handy to know that by revisiting the More Tools menu, you can toggle Reader Mode off or on whenever it's needed. Remember, being able to focus on what matters most, especially in a digital era teeming with distractions, can make a significant difference in how we consume and process information. Whether you're reading for leisure, study, or work, this feature ensures your Chrome browsing experience is both effective and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tech tips to improve your everyday digital tasks.